Fabian asked a question about the Firebase redirects now that Goo.gl, which was Google's link shortener, has now been terminated. They won't allow us to use it anymore. And Marco's not going to answer that, Fabian, because Marco, tell him why.
Because some idiot will take it and burn it.
There you go.
It's that simple. And right now, we've got it. Fabian, you're in the mastermind. So when we are working on it to make it available to our membership so that they can use it. We have it internally right now, but we're working on making it available so that you guys in the mastermind first can use it. As soon as it's available, we'll let you guys know. In the meantime, I mean, Bradley, you're using what, Pretty Links Pro?
Yeah. Yeah.
And there's Rebrandly, there's Owly, there's a whole bunch of other places where you can get 301s. If it has decent metrics, if it hasn't been burned, by all means, use it. And then we'll work out our shortener, our Firebase shortener, and how to make it available to, again, membership has its privileges, so the mastermind will get it first.
Yeah, I'm just using Pretty Links Pro, which is a plugin. I think if you go to semanticmastery.com/prettylinks, you can find it. It's not very expensive. I think it's like $20. It might be more than that, but it's a great plugin. And depending on what I'm doing, like for example, for all press releases, I set up a domain specifically that I use for creating redirects within press releases for the local PR Pro method, for PR stacking, also just for like redirecting those long, ugly Google URLs for like maps, for example, or now GMB posts and stuff like that. So I always am using the same. It's a press related type domain so that it makes sense, right? And it looks and fits well in press releases. And that way, I'm actually building a little bit of authority to my own redirect domain that way. For other stuff, again, I just use Pretty Links Pro because I think when you buy that, you get unlimited domain installs. And so, for example, we've got a link shortener on for Semantic Mastery that we've had for years now called, and we use Pretty Links in that. It's smshort.link. And if you go to the homepage, it's Sam Jackson telling you to fuck off. but we use that as our redirect URL and have been for years, smshort.link. And it's great because it's just Pretty Link Pro. So again, that's what I've been using. But yeah, there are other things like Rebrandly and stuff that have some inherent authority that you can use. So that would answer Jordan's question next as well.